Hello friends, welcome to Coding Shiksha. So today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to generate dynamic PDF in vue.js. So in the last tutorial we have seen seen this application which was generating static text in the PDF. So now we just need to write an input field. So in that input field we will be specifying the text. So just let me just delete this. So in this we will be having a input field, input type text, and we will be making a vmodel directive. So I will be just be giving it a value name and also a placeholder value, let's suppose text. After that we will be having the button type button and a on click. So whenever we click this button I need to execute this function, that is generate PDF. So that's it. So the label of the button will be generate PDF. Generate PDF. Close the button tag. So now we just need to move down here and you can see that we need to create this function. So let me just delete this whole code here so that you can just better understand. So you can see that we need to create a methods block here. So inside this methods block we need to write our method, so which is generate PDF. So in order to declare a function we need to just write the function name in vue.js. So first of all we will make the import jsPDF. So we have imported the jsPDF. Now we will use the .text methods in order to dynamically insert data. So here we will just use the vmodel variable here that we have declared early on, that is equal to name. So I will just pass here this dot name and followed by the x and y coordinates 15 15, and lastly we will save the document as pdf.pdf. that's it. So now our application is complete. So if I enter something here, hello world, and click on generate PDF, sorry, the jsPDF should be small here. I have right here capital because we have imported this as jsPDF, so that is why it was an error. So now if I write hello world, click on generate PDF, you will see that a PDF document has been generated with the text hello world. I can even change this to, this is changed. Again click on generate PDF, you will see that. So in this easy way you can just dynamically create PDF documents with dynamic text in vue.js.